leaving Ashridge Farm.
Yeah.
Aren't we? And we're going to take the recommended route out.
Yeah. So it's going to turn left here and
turn left.
Off to the dual carriageway. And we're on our way to Black Horse Farm. See what a busy little village this is.
Yeah, and this is the recommended way out.
Yeah. Park vans as well. Yeah, so those of you who've been following this will know that Black Horse Farm is in Folkestone and it's fairly near the tunnel, so it's handy for an overnight stop. It's so much so that they've got pitches that are designed for ferry or tunnel overnight stays. They're near the front, so you disturb people less when you leave at 6 AM or whenever it is to catch your ferry or your train. So that's where we're headed. It's not a particularly interesting journey. We're going to go down the A507, onto the A1, down the A1, M25, Dartford crossing, M20.
Well, part of the M20 is closed.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's handy.
Around Maidstone.
Yeah.
So I think we'll be diverted onto the M2.
Right.
A2, M2.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just this weekend it seems to.
Oh, just when we're going.
Yeah, but whether the closed bit will move further down. They're doing a smart motorway.
All right. Smart motorway. There's a misnomer, isn't it? There's nothing smart about a motorway.
There's warnings on the check the status of the Eurotunnel service website. Warns you.
So, we'll finally get out of Ashwell. We'll catch up with you later. Now, the wonderful M25. What do we do without it? So at the roundabout, take the second exit. Oh, yeah. Prepaid the Dartford crossing, haven't we?
Yeah, it's paid for 2 crossings, going and obviously coming back. £2.50 per crossing.
Yeah.
So I did that online. You just enter your reg number, and then it comes back with how many crossings you want to pay for. So I said 2, and then you can pay the £5. It's very easy. And then it obviously recognises you. Don't take so.
You hope so.
We hope so. I think you have up till midnight, don't you, to pay if you haven't paid?
Yeah, if you forget to pay.
Yeah.
I think it's cheap. Isn't it cheaper than the crossing at the Mersey?
Yes, because that's £6.
£6, isn't it?
Yeah.
How they justify that, I don't know. Sure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Seem to have a constant stream of incidents along here, don't we? Like broken down vans and all sorts of things. I was just saying, I think this is why it's a good idea to come a day early.
Yeah.
If you're in a panic to get to your tunnel or your ferry, you've got all this nonsense. I think that would stress me out too much.
Well, the queue the other way.
Look at the queue, yeah. Look at the queue going the other way.
Quarter pedestrians.
So now we've got pedestrians on the road. off the M2, coming back onto the M20 via the diversion. Hopefully back on the motorway.
Yeah.
That's going to be fun going back though, isn't it?
Well, it should be open. It's only closed this weekend.
Oh, it's only this weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, so you could ignore all of that then. I don't need that at all, all that
bit.
bit.
Come in this weekend.
Yeah.
It's just our sort of...
Our luck.
Yeah.
Motorway's a bit better. We're going to stop at Maidstone Services. It's feeding time for the dogs.
Yeah, and us.
And us.
It's left here.
Sorry?
I said it's left here.
This is where the trucks go in the caravan park. And right, let's have a look, see where parking is. That doesn't help at all.
Oh no, it just says cars or caravans to the right.
Oh yeah. Since we're a motor caravan.
And it's saying left here.
Left again. Electric charging points here as well. Oh, they've done. Have they changed this? They've made it bigger, haven't they?
Yeah. So we go on these ones here. Here.
Where were they?
There.
Here. Oh yeah. That wasn't obvious.
It's not obvious because there's a couple of cars parked in it.
Yeah. Yeah. Funny looking caravans. Yeah. Spot the unusually short caravans. Well, that's where you used to have to park, over there. That's where the caravan parking is supposed to be now. Though, looking at it, it's barely long enough for us, and we're 7.71 metres, so if you've got a 7 metre caravan and a 4 metre car, you're not going to fit in there. So I can't know what they're thinking there, but there's plenty of spaces over there, assuming the trucks were not there. There still is a lot of space, so it's definitely better than it was. Like I say, you just had that bit over there, I think, before. Yeah, it'd help if cars didn't park in here as well. But you can see, can't you? You wouldn't have much space for a caravan. Right, we're still on the M20, but we're going to go to Sainsbury's at Folkestone to fill up, because we reckon that if we fill up here, we can make it to Luxembourg, don't we?
Yeah. Last time we paid the euro a litre, didn't we? For
yeah.
Fuel there.
I think it's a Euro 13
at the moment. Yeah. So we'll see.
Whereas in France, I believe it's about Euro 40.
Yeah. And back at the Maidstone Services, it was £1.50, wasn't it?
£1.50 at Maidstone Services. Yeah.
Yeah. So wow. We'll see how much it is at Sainsbury's.
Yeah. The Channel Tunnel terminus to the left here.
No. E20.
Lots of references to the Battle of Britain around here, aren't there?
Yeah.
There's a museum, isn't it? We tried to get in.
We tried in, yeah.
Enter the roundabout, take the first exit onto A260.
We tried to get into.
I think it was closed, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Enter the roundabout, take the first exit.
This is the road the campsite's on.
It is, yeah.
On the left, after 3/4 of a mile.
Densole. Seem to remember it's quite easy to miss this turning, isn't it?
Yeah, it suddenly appears, doesn't it? I think it's round this bend.
Round the corner, isn't it?
You arrive at destination on the left after 1,000 feet.
Here, is it?
No. It's
there's a little sign there that says campsite, and that sort of throws you. Yeah, there's another campsite there. You look for this pub here.
Yeah.
The Black Horse. And it's just here on the left.
You have reached your destination on the left.
That new arrivals bit round, doesn't it? Here we are. Yeah, we're on pitch 19.
Right, which is a ferry pitch.
Which is a ferry pitch. We'll go around there and have a look at it.
Yeah, could do, can't we?
Yeah, so the ferry pitch is around here to the right.
And we're looking for 19, aren't we?
Yeah. I think they're marked with a blue peg, aren't they?
Yeah, because they're obviously no awning.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be putting up an awning, would you? For
no.
That's 22. 21.
20, 19.
20, 19's here. That one there.
Yeah. lawnmower here. I think the lawnmower follows us around.
I think it must be the same one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I think it is.
Might be the same one. Well, here we are. We're on our ferry pitch. Oh, I call it ferry pitch. It ought to be a tunnel pitch. You want to take a dog here?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go to the dog walk. Come on, go down here. Right, so dog walk's just down here. It's a Pioneer like our Starfire was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Come on, girls.
Off the Tara.
Yeah. You see how dry the soil is.
Yeah. Although it's quite muddy here last year we came.
Yeah.
Let's remember it was, yeah.
Pretty dry now. Play area here. A couple of Spitfires flying around somewhere.
Yeah.
No way we'll see them up there.
Sounds like them, doesn't it?
Yeah. That's the other toilet block. A drying room and a laundry in there, I think, as well, isn't it?
I think so.
Let's go right round. Yeah, it's a laundry there. A tent area here. Didn't know they got tents here. Oh, that's good. No, well, I don't think we've ever been down this side, have we?
I think we did. I remember, because didn't they put us just in this area one year? So
Did they?
we had to use that toilet block.
Oh, right, okay.
And we walked up here.
Oh, right, okay. You remember it better than I do.
Yeah. It wasn't last year, it was the year before.
Yeah. More ferry pitches here as well. Or the non-awning pitches, I suppose.
Not awning, but they did put us on these.
Yeah, I think if the others are full.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're on our own at the moment, aren't we? I think a lot of people arrive a little bit later normally.
Yeah.
Gives me a little bit of time to do my editing, but it's really warm.
It is. The blue sky. Big clouds.
Blue sky. Yeah, it's the sun, isn't it? Sorry, I'm pointing you in the sun there. Yeah. So that's it for now. Next time you catch us, we'll be heading on towards the tunnel.
Yeah.
So really looking forward to that. Yeah, that's it. We're going with me editing there then.
You can, yeah.
Yeah. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and you'll be able to follow more of our European adventures. Got a big splat of bird muck on the bonnet there. I'll clean that off.